Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore the profile of a newly registered business partner. To log in into your business partner portal, you have to visit our website www.capricornca.com. Here on the login page, you have to use your email ID that you have used to register yourself as a business partner. For the new user, you receive a system generated password on your email ID. Here, like this, you receive a confirmation mail from Capricorn that you have registered yourself as a business partner with Capricorn CA. Also, you receive a system generated password that you have to use for the first time to log in into your profile. Here, I have entered my email ID and system generated password. Now, upon clicking on login, you will be redirected to verify yourself. You have options to verify yourself via email address OTP. You can verify yourself via mobile OTP, or you can set up TOTP authentication after logging into your profile. Here I am using email OTP to log in. Once you click on get OTP on your mail, you will receive an OTP on your registered email ID. You have to enter the same here. Next, you have to click on submit. Upon successful login, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Here, we are prompted that bank details is pending. It is an important step for a new user to first update their bank details, as you're only going to receive your earned commission in your registered and verified bank account. So first, we are going to update our bank details. Here, do keep a note. If you have created an individual business partner profile, you should provide your savings bank account details, and the name of the beneficiary of account holder should match with the name in the business partner profile. In case you have created an organization profile, you should provide current bank account details. Now I'm going to enter my bank details. Here I have entered my bank details and submitted it successfully. Now we'll go to the business partner profile. Here we have the personal details of the business partner. You can see the details of your organization. Here the organization type is individual proprietorship firm, so the TDS will be deducted on the PAN of an owner. In case you have any other type of organization, the TDS will deduct on the PAN of the organization. Here we can check our updated bank details. Here the current status of the bank details is active. Once the status marked as verified, you will start receiving your commission. Here an additional setting is provided by Capricorn where you can set a commission to a desired mark, so that once you reach the mark, then only the commission will directly transfer into your account. The minimum value is 250. You can increase and keep it at 250 as per your convenience. Also, do keep a note. You only receive your commission once in a day. That is, the commission transfer in every 24 hours between Monday to Friday. In case you have a GST number updated in your business partner portal, you have to raise a GST invoice, and then the commission will transfer into your verified bank account. You can see your signed agreement. This was signed while you were registering yourself as a business partner. Here are few additional settings available where you can enable and disable two-factor authentication to log in into your business partner portal. You can enable a TOTP authentication as well. Next, support. In case you need any help, related to your business partner portal or any help related to creation of digital signature certificate, you can reach to the provided support number or you can mail on the provided support email address. Also, kindly update your password as you have used a system generated password to log in for the first time in your profile. From here, you can change and update your password. So that is it for a profile of a newly registered business partner. Thank you for watching.